Welcome to everyone. Myself Ganesh NK, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Subject Corporate Accounting, Topic Goodwill. Under this session, we are going to discuss about average profit method and problems on simple average profit method. What is average profit? Average profit means total amount of profit for several number of years divided by number of years. So under simple average profit method, how do we calculate goodwill? Goodwill is to be calculated by multiplying the past average profit by the number of years during which the expected profits will accrue. Goodwill is paid for obtaining future advantage. So right now, ನಾನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ how to calculate average profit ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. ನಂತರ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು goodwill ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Goodwill is equal to adjusted average annual profit into number of years of purchase price. Number of years of purchase price will be given in the problem. Now, how to calculate adjusted annual profit? While calculating adjusted annual profit, we must consider few aspects. First of all, we must take annual profit as base. To this, we are going to add non-recurring expenses. It includes stock destroyed by fire, loss due to fire or theft, overvaluation of opening stock, undervaluation of closing stock. See here, overvaluation of opening stock and undervaluation of closing stock is concerned. Both these items will reduce our profit. Therefore, these two items are added. Then we are deducting non-operating income. So what are those things? Interest on investments other than trade investments. Okay. The second one, non-recurring income less managerial remuneration if any. If managerial remuneration is allowed in a particular year or in a given year, that should be deducted. And then we must consider overvaluation of closing stock, undervaluation of opening stock. Overvaluation of closing stock, undervaluation of opening stock increases profit. Therefore, these two items are deducted. And finally, we get adjusted annual profit. So, I repeat once again, how to calculate adjusted annual profit? We must take annual profit as a base. To this, we are going to add non-recurring expenses, which includes stock destroyed by fire. Secondly, loss due to fire or theft. Then, we take into account overvaluation of opening stock, undervaluation of closing stock. We are deducting non-operating income, that is interest on investments, non-recurring income if any. Then we are deducting managerial remuneration if any, overvaluation of closing stock, undervaluation of opening stock. Now, let me solve a simple problem based on simple average profit method. Ascertain the goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of the average profits of the last 4 years. The profits during the last 4 years were rupees 20,000, rupees 24,000, rupees 30,000 and rupees 36,000 respectively. Step number 1. What we must calculate? Average profit. What is average profit? Total profit divided by number of years. So now average profit is equal to total profit. What is the okay? Now what about profit for last 4 years? 20,000 plus 24,000 plus 30,000 plus 36,000. How many number of years now? 4 years. Total will be 1,10,000. 1,10,000 by 4. 27,500. This will be your what? Average profit. I repeat once again. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. Step number 2, we are calculating goodwill. What is goodwill means? Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. That is 27,500 into 3 is equal to 82,500. Second problem. The following particulars are available in respect of the business carried on by Mr. Santosh. A. Profits earned in 1999 rupees 50,000, 2,000 rupees 48,000 and 2001 rupees 52,000. Profits of 2,000 are reduced by rupees 5,000 due to stock destroyed by fire, and profits of 1999 included a non-recurring income of rupees 3,000. Profits of 2001 includes rupees 2,000 income on investment. The stock is not insured and it is thought prudent to insure stock in future. The insurance premium is estimated at rupees 500 per annum. Fair remuneration to the proprietor if employed elsewhere is rupees 10,000 per annum. Compute the value of goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of average profit of last 3 years. Now, the first step, let us calculate adjusted profit. So, adjusted profit ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸು actual profit. Now, let us concentrate 1999 50,000, 2000 48,000, 2001 52,000. As usual 50,000, 48,000, 52,000. So, what we are going to add? Expenses not likely to occur in future. Namely, I can say in this problem, stock destroyed by fire. Profits of 2,000 are reduced by rupees 5,000 due to stock destroyed by fire. So therefore, in the year 2000, okay, we must add non-recurring expense, namely stock destroyed by fire. Then, and profits of 1999 included a non-recurring income of rupees 3,000. This non-recurring income has to be deducted. In the year 1999, 3,000 rupees should be deducted. So therefore, 50,000 minus 3,000, 47,000. As usual, 53,000. Then, as usual, 52,000. Then, profits of 2001 includes rupees 2,000 incomes on investment. So this income on investment should be deducted. 2,000 for the year 2001. 47,000 as usual. 53,000 as usual. 52,000 minus 2,000, 50,000. Then the stock is not insured and it is thought prudent to insure stock in future. The insurance premium is estimated at rupees 500 per annum. I repeat, the stock is not insured and it is thought prudent to insure stock in future. The insurance premium is estimated at rupees 500 per annum. So this insurance premium on stock becomes your what? Recurring expenses to the extent of rupees 500 every year. So every year we are deducting 500 for the year 1999, then 2000, 2001, 47,000 minus 500, 46,500, 53,000 minus 500, 52,500, 50,000 minus 500, 49,500. Then, fair remuneration to the proprietor if employed elsewhere is rupees 10,000 per annum. So, this managerial remuneration should be deducted to the extent of 10,000 every year. So, 46,500 minus 10,000, 36,500, 52,500 minus 10,000, 42,500, 49,500 minus 10,000, 39,500. In the second step, we are calculating adjusted average profit. What is adjusted average profit? Adjusted average profit is equal to total adjusted profit divided by number of years. Accordingly, 36,500 plus 42,500 plus 39,500. So total comes to 1,18,500. 1,18,500 divided by 3. In this case, amount comes to 39,500. Adjusted average profit is equal to rupees 39,500. Then we are calculating goodwill. How to calculate goodwill? Goodwill is equal to average profit. Average profit in this sense means adjusted average profit. Adjusted average profit into number of years of purchase. Now, let's concentrate here. Compute the value of goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of average profits of last 3 years. So based on this, now we are calculating goodwill. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase price. Average profit means adjusted average profit. Adjusted average profit in this case will be 39,500. So 39,500 into 2 comes to 79,000. Goodwill is equal to rupees 79,000. So finally, to summarize, okay, how to calculate adjusted annual profit. So while calculating adjusted annual profit, we must take annual profit. To this, we are going to add non-recurring expenses. It includes stock destroyed by 5, loss due to 5. Then overvaluation of opening stock, undervaluation of closing stock. Then we are deducting non-operating income. Then which includes interest on investment, non-recurring incomes. Then we are deducting recurring expenses like managerial remuneration, if any. Along with this, we are considering overvaluation of closing stock, undervaluation of opening stock. Overvaluation of closing stock and undervaluation of opening stock increases profit. Therefore, these two items are deducted. The residual figure will be adjusted annual profit. What is goodwill means? Goodwill is equal to adjusted annual profit into number of years of purchase price. Thank you.